Tamil Nadu has now upped the ante over NEET. As the centre defended NEET, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin fuming and saying that it is clear that there are irregularities that have been seen in Gujarat. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister alleging that there has been cheating and giving out a message to the Modi government as well. Stop defending anti-student NEET. That's the message that has come in from the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. So the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, remember, has been speaking against NEET time and again. He has also called NEET an anti-poor examination after the latest allegations. So this is a salvo that has come in from the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. My colleague Ankit is joining us with the detailed statement of M.K. Stalin.
I'm going to read it, Pratibha. So the Chief Minister writes, the ongoing controversies around NEET highlight its fundamentally inequitable nature. In a society where education has been denied for thousands of years, we should offer more opportunities for advancement of the oppressed. On the contrary, NEET hinders the opportunities of such students. Despite the Education Minister's defense of the National Testing Agency, recent events paint a different picture. The Gujarat police have registered an FIR over allegations of invigilators tampering with OMR sheets in exchange for monetary benefits involving checks worth several crore rupees and eight blank checks. This conspiracy, implicating a school principal, a physics teacher and several NEET coaching centers, underscores the urgent need for systemic change. From martyr Anita to the countless students who have tragically taken their own lives, we have witnessed enough. NEET, an examination masquerading as a measure of merit, has repeatedly revealed itself as a pervasive scam affecting all levels of society. The union government must stop defending this anti-student, anti-social justice and anti-poor NEET system. A very strongly worded long post by the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, M.K. Stalin.
Absolutely, and this is not the first time, of course, ever since the introduction of NEET as well, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, the DMK, have been strongly speaking against NEET. Varshini is also joining us on the broadcast. Varshini, the latest controversy around the NEET examinations and the results have provided more ammunition to the DMK. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister yet again reiterating that the NEET examinations need to be scrapped.
Absolutely, yes. This is something that the DMK feels very personal when it comes to the NEET examination and the scrapping of it, because right from day one, they have been taking this issue up and they've been strongly opposing it. And in fact, in their poll promises in 2021, while they came to power, they said that they will be for sure getting an exemption for the state of Tamil Nadu from the NEET examination. And Chief Minister M.K. Stalin also is mentioning about martyr Anita in his tweet. And when Anita died, committed suicide because she was not able to pass the NEET examination. That was when the real protest for the NEET examination started in Tamil Nadu, with M.K. Stalin, who was the leader of opposition back then, took up this matter and protested throughout the state, saying that Tamil Nadu cannot go on with NEET since it's taking the lives of so many children. And that is why he once again has now taken this up, since the controversy has now moved from just being a Tamil Nadu issue to a national issue right now. And he's also speaking about, once again, about how this is anti-student, anti-social justice and anti-poor. This is the only stand that the DMK has been taking from the beginning, and now it is just, like you said, has given more ammunition to them with the arrest that has been made in Gujarat and other parts like Rajasthan, where students have committed suicide, which now Tamil Nadu and the DMK government is once again taking up.
Okay, so the Supreme Court has issued a notice to NTA. Let's see what the response is going to be, because it's about the future of so many students who have given the examinations. Varshini, thank you for joining us with those details. Let's shift our attention now to...
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.